Hello everyone and welcome to my Hip Hop Gossip For You channel. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. Before we begin, please hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Prior to the shocking lawsuit, Cassie reportedly attempted to resolve Diddy's accusations in private. Before bringing her shocking lawsuit against Diddy, Cassie allegedly tried to reach a confidential settlement with her ex-boyfriend over her accusations against him. The assertion was made by lawyer and legal analyst Dante Mills during a discussion of the case for Law and Crime's forthcoming 3-episode podcast series, The Rise and Fall of Diddy. She approached him prior to bringing any legal action and stated, "I thought I was harmed by you," Mills claimed in a series teaser that The Guardian was able to get on Monday. And before she filed a lawsuit, she gave him a chance to resolve the matter. "I am aware that both Cassie's and Sean Combs' lawyers were in communication and discussions to try to settle the lawsuit, but they were unable to do so, and those settlement talks failed," he added. Douglas Wigdor, Cassie's lawyer, had previously claimed that Diddy had promised his client 8 figures in an effort to silence her. Only a day after the initial public filing, Cassie and Diddy reached a settlement. At the time, she issued a statement saying, "I have decided to resolve this matter amicably on terms that I have some level of control. I want to express my gratitude to my family, supporters, and attorneys for their steadfast support." Through his lawyer, Diddy also discussed the deal, saying, "We have decided to resolve this matter amicably. I want the best for Cassie and her family. Love." Diddy's legal issues, however, did not end there. Numerous claimed victims came forward with accusations regarding the bad boy entrepreneur throughout the course of the following year. In September, authorities also detained him on suspicion of racketeering and sex trafficking. He has already entered a not guilty plea and refuted every accusation made against him. May 2025 will mark the start of his trial. King Combs, Diddy's son, reportedly served time in jail for sexual assault. The woman who accused Diddy of sexual assault earlier this year has reportedly issued King Combs, his son, with a lawsuit. King was served at his father's Miami estate for a rape that allegedly took place during a hedonistic yacht party in 2022, according to a report published by In Touch on Monday. Using the same attorney that represents producer Lil Rod in a related case against Diddy in February, Grace O'Marcaigh filed the lawsuit in April. King Combs faces charges of sexual assault, battery, and purposeful emotional distress. According to O'Marcaigh, she began working as a stewardess in the yachting profession in 2018 with the intention of making it her career, but Combs has since derailed her ambitions. Combs joined his father on a yacht he had hired, where O'Marcaigh was employed, according to her claim. She claims that although it was marketed as a healthy family outing, it became a hedonistic setting, with several individuals she thinks were prostitutes. According to the lawsuit, it led to an unanticipated rise in her and her co-workers' workload in addition to unwelcome exposure to illegal drug use, sex work, and general chaos. O'Marcaigh says she considered very inappropriate that Combs would show interest in her during one shift. After pressuring her to join him for a drink, he allegedly violently grabbed Grace's arm and began hurting her. He stopped Grace from getting up and dragged her to the seat next to him. She claims that when she asked to leave, he refused and forced her to drink additional shots, which she quickly suspected were tampered with. She was able to flee once someone else entered the room where he allegedly surrounded her and displayed his erection. Not only did Grace lose her job, but she also lost her long-term partner, with whom she had planned a future, the lawsuit goes on. After witnessing Grace's body injuries from Christian's sexual attack and dealing with the psychological and emotional fallout, Grace's partner was never the same and they split up. Grace's mental state worsened to the extent that she needed intense therapy and medication. She also experienced a severe depressive episode, which prevented her from fulfilling her maid of honor responsibilities at her only sister's June 2023 wedding, something she had been anticipating for more than 18 months. Both King Combs and Aaron Dyer, Diddy's attorney, replied to the petition in April with a statement that mostly targeted the attorney for the claimed victim. Tyrone Blackburn has made yet another baseless and obscene allegation, similar to the one he made in the Rodney Jones lawsuit, which he has yet to serve. The same contrived lies and unrelated information that we have been accustomed to from Blackburn are abundant in this complaint. This is precisely the reason he was referred to the disciplinary committee in the Southern District of New York and why the federal judge in New York slapped him 2 days ago for a pattern of behavior in improperly filing cases in federal court to garner media attention, embarrass defendants with salacious allegations, and pressure defendants to settle quickly. We intend to submit a motion to have this ludicrous allegation dismissed. The daughter of the former FBI director joins the Fed's team after Diddy drowned in trouble. The group aiming to imprison Diddy for years is getting stronger as he continues to be held at Brooklyn's infamous Metropolitan Detention Center. Maureen Comey, the daughter of former FBI Director James Comey, has devoted herself to the lawsuit, according to court records all HIPHOP was able to get. The undersigned attorney respectfully requests the clerk to note her appearance in this case and to add her as a filing user to whom notices of electronic filing will be transmitted in this case, according to documents filed on Monday by Damian Williams, the United States Attorney for the Southern District of New York. The latest addition comes after Diddy's minor triumph. A federal court ordered prosecutors to provide a sworn document confirming they are not the source of leaked information as part of his battle against alleged media leaks. The deadline for compliance was set by U.S. District Judge Arun Subramanian for December 4. In the past, Diddy's legal team has charged prosecutors and federal agents with inappropriately providing the media with information. They asserted that Diddy has not been given a fair trial because of the alleged leaks, which have sparked seemingly never-ending negative media attention. One of the accusations is that somebody connected to the case leaked a 2016 surveillance footage that purportedly showed Diddy violently assaulting his ex-girlfriend Cassandra Ventura. The accusations were flatly refuted by the prosecution, who maintained that Diddy was merely grasping at straws. They maintained that the 2016 video was sourced outside of the federal inquiry and stated that there is no evidence to support unlawful leaking of grand jury documents. Judge Subramanian rejected Diddy's plea for an expanded gag order on October 25, indicating that the measure was unsuccessful. Subramanian failed to uncover any solid proof of previous wrongdoing by prosecutors, despite the court placing limitations on the dissemination of grand jury papers and other private data. Diddy is scheduled to go on trial in May 2025 after being arrested in September. He has entered a not guilty plea to charges of conspiracy to commit racketeering, sex trafficking by force, deception or coercion, and transportation for prostitution.